दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल वी ब्लॉग में आप 5 से आप स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जाने मैक्सवेल बोल्ट्जमैन अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्सवेल एन आई अपन एन नॉट इक्वल टू जी आई अपन जी नॉट इक्वल माइनस ई आई के टी वेयर एन आई इक्वल बराबर मॉलिक्यूल इन द एनर्जी जनरेट जी आई एंड जी ओ बराबर degeneracy of level state I and 0 respectively where E naught is equal to energy of 0th level then G naught is equal to 1 and therefore n I is equal to n 0 G I power minus E I upon K T. Take summation of the above equation, we get summation n I equal to n no summation G I power minus E I upon K T, but G I power minus E I upon K T equal to F. Summation n I is equal to n O F, since n I is equal to n, hence n is equal to n O F or F is equal to n by n naught. The equation states that the partition function is the ratio of the total number of molecules in zeroth level at absolute 0 t equal to 0 के लिए this circle all the molecule tend to go in zeroth level, so a as it is tend to 0 and tend to n naught, f is equal to n upon n naught. F will increase, in other words higher the temperature larger is the value of partition function. Partition function was introduced by Fowler and is a dimensionless quantity. Its value depends on the molecular weight, molar volume, temperature, etc. The sum of probability factor for the various energy level or the ways in which the energy of a system is partitioned among the molecules consisting the system. It is the ratio of total number of molecules to the total number of molecules in ground state. Internal energy is equal to E naught, N naught, E naught plus N1 En plus N2 E2 dot Ni Ni equal to summation ei n upon f e power minus er upon k ei upon kt e equal to n upon f summation e1 e power minus ei upon kt f is equal to e power minus ei upon kt summation d upon dt is equal to 1 by kt square summation ei e power minus ei upon kt e power ei minus kt equal to kt square df upon dt using combined function equal to nkt square dbf upon dt r equal to t square d log f upon dt rt square d log f on dt r square by n. Equation 4 and 5 give the value of internal energy in terms of partition function. The average of each molecule equal to E equal to kt square d log f upon dt. Entropy S equal to nk log f plus k beta E taking b equal to 0 since beta is equal to 1 by k2 we have S equal to nk log f plus n kt e by t log f by dt. From equation third we have S equal to nk log f nkt t log f upon dt. A is equal to e minus t. Substituting the value of S from equation 7 we have A is equal to e minus t nk log f plus e is equal to minus nkt log f is equal to k n nk log f plus e by t. We know that df and dv at constant temperature equal to minus p. Differentiating equation 9 with respect to volume at constant temperature, we have df and dv at t equal to minus nkt d log f on dv. P is equal to nkt d log f on dv at constant temperature. Heat content H is equal to E plus PV. H is equal to nkt square d log f on dt plus V nkt d log f on dv. Putting the value of E and V, H is equal to nkt d log f upon d log t plus d log f on d log v at dt upon t is equal to d log t and dv upon v is equal to d log v. Expression 11 gives the relation between the heat content and partial function. P is equal to nkt d log f upon dt is equal to nkt square d log f upon dt. Free energy G is equal to S minus T. S. Substituting the value of H and S from equation 11th and 18 in 12 we get G is equal to nkt d log f upon dt d log t plus d log f upon d log v minus nk log f plus nk d log f by dt nkt d log f by d log t minus log f as minus nkt square d log f upon dt equal to minus nkt d log f upon dt. Expression 13 gives relation between the free energy and partition function. S is equal to nk log f plus nkt d log f upon dt. H is equal to nkt d log f upon d log t d log f upon d log v. Question 11. Heat capacity Cv is equal to d upon dt at constant V. A is equal to nkt square d log f upon dt. First differentiating equation third with respect to temperature at constant volume we get d upon dt at V is equal to d upon dt and kt square d log f upon dt Cp is equal to nk d upon dt t square log f d log f upon dt for Gibbs and Helmholtz energy and Maxwell relation. There S is equal to kb ln U is equal to t ds minus p dv df is equal to upon d upon dx at constant 0 dx plus df upon dy at constant dy is equal to fxy df upon x dx is equal to dfy upon dy u minus v minus p u minus v pv is equal to s u minus st is equal to u minus ts hsp dh du dp dv u minus t plus ts plus p d p v equal to g dh equal to t ds minus p dv plus p p dv plus v dp d equal to t ds plus v dp delta is equal to a final minus a initial dl equal to dq plus minus p dv put it p external v is equal to du minus dq du equal to tds minus p dv cuts sb du is less than dt dj ds is greater than equal to 0 joule by Kelvin d is equal to s dt minus p dv constant t बराबर da minus p dv reversible और Clausius minus d ds minus dq upon t greater than 0 3 at constant v minus ds minus d1 ds minus d1 upon t is greater than 0 t du minus t ds is less than equal to 0 constant du is equal to less than equal to 0 Helmholtz is ds minus tq upon t is greater than equal to 0 joule per Kelvin ds minus du upon dt is greater than equal to joule upon per Kelvin du minus t ds is less than equal to 0 joule Kelvin d is equal to du minus t dl da equal to du minus t ds minus sdt tu minus tds minus sdt sdt is less than equal to 0 da plus sdt is less than equal to 0 joule da is less than equal to 0 joule g is equal to u minus ts plus pv dg equal to du minus t dts plus dpv dg equal to minus ptv plus tds minus sdt minus tds plus pv plus vdbv dg equal to minus sdt plus pv dp dg equal to gtp constant Tp dg is less than equal to 0 joule spin du upon dt as v is equal to t ds upon dt at v minus p db upon dt at v db cv upon t equal to ds upon dt at v ds upon dp at t equal to ds t ds plus v dp v delta s ds equal to d cv dt upon dt ds upon dp at t t ds upon dp at t v dp upon dp at t delta s equal to c v ln def upon ti th upon dt p at constant t is equal to 0 t ds plus p v ds upon dp at constant temperature equal to minus v upon dt ds equal to minus nnr dp upon dp n equal to nrr ln p1 upon p2 df equal to df xy df upon dxy at y dx plus dfy df dy at constant x dy delta is equal to tds minus p dv df dot u is equal to lambda is equal to s g is equal to v df upon dx at y equal to du upon ds at constant d is equal to df upon d y at x and du upon dv at s equal to minus p Euler's test d upon dx df upon dx at y x is equal to d upon dx df upon dy at y delta g is less than 0 spontaneous delta h is equal to delta g is equal to delta h minus t delta g is greater than and spontaneous delta g is less than spontaneous delta g equal to 0 equilibrium delta s 1 equal to positive if df dy du upon ds at constant v is equal to dy ds du upon dv at s at constant v is accident dt upon dv at constant vs is equal to minus dp upon dt ds at constant v Maxwell relation du is equal to t ds minus p dv ds is equal to t ds plus v tp ds is equal to sd minus p dv dt upon dv at constant s is equal to dp upon ds at v dt upon dsp at constant s is equal to db upon ds at constant p ds upon dv at constant t is equal to dp upon dt at constant b entropy change in irreversible heat transfer delta S is equal to delta dq upon dt या del ds equal to dq upon dt delta S equal to q upon t delta S से बराबर q upon t delta S equal to 500 upon 200 n equal eta equal to eta 2 equal to t2 t1 minus t2 upon t1 n1 is less than n2 minus q2 upon q1 minus t2 upon t1 q1 upon t2 is greater than q1 upon t1 q1 upon q Q1 greater than T1 T2 upon T1, net change in entropy change in expansion, isothermal expansion. In isothermal expansion of an ideal gas carry out reversibly, then there is change in the internal delta is equal to 0. First law of delta Q W is equal to delta W, delta is equal to delta Q plus delta W, delta U 0 equal to delta Q plus delta W. Q reversible is equal to delta W. For small change dq equal to minus dw. Since work done is by the system, dw is equal to minus pdv. Putting the value of dw in equation second, q dq reversible equal to minus pdv. 0 से q dq reversible equal to pdv upon v1 to v2. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, Pv is equal to RT, V is equal to RT upon B V2. dq reversible is equal to RT upon B at V1 to V2 limit dV. Q reversible is equal to KT V1 upon V2 ln B. Q reversible is equal to RT ln Q minus L1 ln B2 minus L1 B1. Q reversible is equal to RT ln B2 upon V1. Q reversible upon T equal to RL B2 upon V1. Delta is equal to Q reversible upon T. Delta is equal to R ln V2 upon V1. This equation represents the variation of entropy in a thermal expansion of an ideal gas. If we have n number of mole, delta is equal to nr ln V2 upon V1 enthalpy. Under calculation of enthalpy, the enthalpy is a mathematical expression for system that can be defined as the sum of internal energy and pressure volume product. This is general delta S equal to delta U plus delta B for ideal gases. If mole fixed on reaction occurs, delta H equal to delta H equal to minus A बराबर NCP delta T ideal gas. If chemical reactions occurs at constant temperature, delta H equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT at thermal isomer condition, delta H equal to Ng delta T. If no chemical reactions occur, then if occurs, then delta N is equal to minus delta Ng RT, delta H equal to delta U plus delta PV, delta H equal to delta U plus delta nRT, delta H equal to delta U plus Ng RT, AS plus Bg Cg. N is equal to 11 equal to 0. Entropy as a degree of randomness or disordinance. Delta is equal to Q rule upon delta T unit joule per Kelvin. Ice, liquid, gas, solid state function extensive property significant. Entropy of aeon boiling increases on dissolution, increases on precipitation, decreases on the increases temperature, increases entropy, increases enthalpy change. The amount of energy heat released are taken in per molar substance during a physical or chemical change. Standard enthalpy changes. Enthalpy under changes that have been measured under standard condition pressure 1 bar, temperature to 2 degree 8 minutes 25 seconds concentration. Standard state condition, the most stable state form in which a substance would exist under standard, for example H2O2. बस दोस्तों यहीं तक समाप्त है। धन्यवाद दोस्तों। चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।